In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching design using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your design skills, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process seamlessly. First, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's easy to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on Canva's homepage. From here, make your way to the center section and hover below the spacebar. You'll see a More button. Click on it to reveal all the canvas sizes available for your project. Now that you have access to various sizes, scroll down past the common layouts and sizes and select the Poster, Portrait A2 layout. This size is perfect for creating stunning posters with ample space for creativity. With your canvas ready, click on it to activate the floating tools. These are essential for customizing your design, and they'll appear around your canvas area once it's selected. We'll start by changing the background color of your poster. Click on the background and choose a color that resonates with your style or theme. You'll notice a color palette on the side. Use it to find the perfect hue for your project. Once you're satisfied with the background, hover to the left side menu panel, where you'll find an option for uploaded images. Click on it and choose an image you would like to use. For images with distracting backgrounds, you can use the BG Remover tool to make them blend seamlessly into your design. Next, let's adjust the picture to fit your design perfectly. Resize and crop the image using the side squares to get it to just the right dimensions. Slowly adjust it until it meets your expectations. Now, let's add some decorative elements to enhance your poster. Hover over to the Elements tab on the left side menu panel and search for gradient circles. Click on the gradient white circle to add it to your design. With the circle selected, use the Position tool and click backward to layer it as needed. For more dynamic layouts, return to the Elements tab and click on Shapes. Choose the shape you need, resize it, and ensure it touches the sides of your canvas for a cohesive look. Highlight and change its color through the Floating tool, selecting a gradient that complements your background. You can edit the gradient style, changing the opacity of 1 to 0 and matching the other to your background color for a seamless blend. Lastly, revisit the left side menu. Click on Uploads and drag the same image as before to the canvas. Use the BG Remover again, and make sure to resize and reposition the image, adding final touches and adjustments. Before saving, take a moment to review all elements and ensure everything is in place. Once you're satisfied, download your design and admire your creative accomplishment. Congratulations! You've just created a stunning poster using Canva.